everyone, welcome back to another video here by the Hurricane HQ. And today we're going to be taking a look at a potential major winter storm in the central US in the next few days. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss the next weather update. So first, we're just going to take a look at the current European model for what's going to be happening with this winter storm. So once we move out, just about 48 hours out, you can see we have some kind of system forming over here in this region. And if we continue, you can see that it does bring possibly a severe thunderstorm/tornado outbreak for parts of the southeast, specifically southern Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and southern Florida. The southern Florida panhandle could be getting a severe thunderstorm outbreak just about 78 hours out, so we're going to have to watch that very closely. But what we really want to show you is right here. So the European model is projecting this system over here to start delivering some winter weather. And if we just go to 90 hours out, you can see that it does make some winter weather for the northern U.S. But I'm not too concerned about this system because we have another system behind it, which is really what I'm really worried about. And you can see these severe thunderstorms do linger near Louisiana for a while, so probably a few days of severe weather is possible. So yeah, we're gonna have to watch that closely. But what I'm mainly concerned about right here is this system right here, 120 hours out. This system is definitely what I'm watching because this has potential to become a major winter storm. As you can see here, it starts out 132 hours out, and you can see it does have a little bit of winter precipitation here, mostly freezing rain and sleet and ice in this area. But once they continue moving out, 138 hours out, you can see we really start to get a lot of winter weather, especially heavy snow is what we have to be watching out for. And that heavy snow is definitely the main concern. So once we move to 144 hours out, you can see this winter storm is definitely bringing a lot. It just definitely brought a lot of snow to a lot of areas. For example, anywhere in this blue region over here, you're most likely going to get a lot of snow. Anywhere in this blue, I'm going to draw, let's actually go back a frame. I want to show you where it's going to be getting the most snow. So most likely, according to the European, it's going to be just about around here and moving into Canada. You're going to get the worst of snow, especially over here, because there's really heavy snow in those areas. And you can see it does move out. It does actually bring a lot of winter weather, though, to the northeast. As you can see, northern Maine, you're going to be getting heavy snow and a lot of ice. Not only upstate New York, but mostly Canada also. A huge potential for an ice storm and a huge winter storm is possible. So we have to watch this really closely for really bad winter weather. This could be a really intense winter storm that we're tracking here. So now we're going to take a look at the GFS model. And we're just going to see what the GFS predicting with this winter storm. Now the GFS is on a 3-hour interval, unlike the European. So we're going to have more frames to look at of this winter storm with the GFS. It does take a minute to load though. But it definitely shows a lot more frames, which is definitely good. So we're just going to go out a bit so you can see we have those low pressure systems that form. And you can see it's in a lot greater detail. So it doesn't look like, let's just go to 140 hours out. So the GFS is predicting something about 117 hours out. I believe this is the same system. It doesn't look like it's going to be as bad though, this system. It doesn't show like a huge winter weather outbreak, but it does show definitely some a chance of some heavy snow in parts of the Northeast, especially over here in Michigan. You have the highest chance of heavy snow according to the GFS. But it definitely becomes a decent winter storm for parts of Canada. Maybe northern Maine could be getting an ice storm. So there's agreement that, yeah, there's a good chance for Canada to be getting a lot of snow. The GFS is also calling for a huge nor'easter to be plowing through the Northeast, as you can see here. This, according to the GFS, drops snow all the way up here, so we have to watch that closely also, because we could have a possible nor'easter for parts of the Northeast. And now, basically, we think that there's going to be some sort of winter storm for Michigan at least, and we could be seeing heavy snow falling in those areas. Now we're going to take a look at what's going to be happening with that, with those temperature anomalies. So let's just go to those 5-day anomalies. Or you know what? Never mind. I'm going to choose a different model. I'm sorry. 2-meter temperature anomaly. This is what you're going to be feeling. This shows exactly what's going to be happening. So you can see right now, this is what's going on right now. This is as of March 21st. You can see, wow, lots of Canada way above average. A lot of the southeast way below average. Along the west coast, although there's definitely a lot of warm air in the center there. Also, but we're mainly just going to be taking a look at that major warm up for the Northeast and that major cool down for the western U.S. So this is where it's mostly going to be lining up. So you can see here, this is where it's mostly going to be lining up. So you can see a huge warm up for most of the Northeast. Parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, 26 degrees above average. And that is insanely warm. That is insanely warm for the East Coast, especially the Northeast. It could be way above average, while parts of the central and western U.S. is going to be way below average. Minus 10 degrees, maybe even more, minus 16 degrees in some areas, below average. So definitely a big cool down for the western and central U.S. and a very huge warm up for the East Coast. I mean, a huge. Some areas up to 27 degrees above average. Just say the average is 50 degrees. It would be about 77 degrees, which is insane for those areas. 27 degrees above average for parts of upstate New York. Maybe even 28 degrees above average in some areas. So yeah, definitely we have to watch this area very closely for extreme above average temperatures. And I was talking about that severe thunderstorm outbreak that could be happening in the southeast U.S. I'm going to be showing that real quick. I'm just going to take a look at the CAPE index. And CAPE basically is the instability in the atmosphere. Thunderstorms and severe weather needs CAPE to be just basically to exist. You can't have a thunderstorm, a very severe thunderstorm or an outbreak without CAPE because thunderstorms need instability. But yeah, we could be seeing decent amounts of CAPE over Louisiana, especially 114 hours out. You're getting up to 2,000. You're definitely getting very high CAPE. It looks like the max is 3,500 CAPE. So yeah, that's definitely really high. So definitely we have to watch out for severe for a severe thunderstorm outbreak in this area of Louisiana, mostly everywhere in Louisiana, you have to be on watch for a potential serious severe weather outbreak. And yeah, that's mostly going to wrap this video up. Let me see if I can actually get one more thing. I want to see if I can get non-operational. I do want to check one more thing. I believe the GFS hourly, is it? I'm looking for simulated radar. I'm not going to waste everyone's time, so I'm going to look quickly. Oh, here, I think this is... Oh, well, I guess we didn't find it. So, yeah, anyway, thank you everyone for watching. It means a lot that you're watching this video. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Make sure that everyone stays safe. Make sure you watch the weather and make sure that everyone is, if you know anyone in Louisiana or in Wisconsin, Michigan or anything, definitely let them know about the weather that could be happening. And yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to find the simulator. Alright, well yeah, thanks again everyone for watching, and make sure you like and share the video. Subscribe if you haven't already for weather updates, and have a nice day.